Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 5-pack from Matchbox. It says it's Matchbox Countryside. One thing that I noticed in this set, only the Monarch tractor is the one that's based on an actual tractor. Everything else is from Matchbox, so it's kind of fantasy, close to reality kind of thing. But they look good, so let's open it up and see how everything looks. So the first one is Matchbox Skidster. I think it was also launched in like a single casting rather than 5-pack, so you can find that too. Some of the details on this one. This moves. You got tinted glass and a place for driver to sit. It says toy box construction on top. Nice wheels, kind of suits the orange. And this is where the engine and exhaust and the grill for the engine might be by the look of it. And there's place for some lamps too there. And if I do this, you can see there's more equipment. I think it's like step from here to go in. This is how it looks from the bottom. It's really old. If you see here, it's 2009 metal, so it's been for a while. But looks good, doesn't look bad. It's more of farm equipment, right? Let's go to the next one. So this is called a dirt destroyer. So basically dirt destroyer kind of thing. Again, it's something by Matchbox. I don't know if it's based on anything, but it doesn't say. And if you see, it looks like a huge tractor. That's what I can say. It's got some good details. It's got steps. There's diamond shape floor, which you see on a lot of tractors. It's called Trevino Farms, if I'm not wrong. Number 6. You can see some parts of the engine like exhaust and stuff. I don't know what that is exactly, but you can see there. You can see the driver's seat and the steering, so good details there. Also if I move on the rear again, you can see there's some part of machinery. I don't know what it is. Same goes for the other side. This is how it looks from the top. This is how it looks from the front. So it's 4-wheeled in front and 4 in back, so a total of 8 wheels. But if you can look here, so only the outer wheels move. The inner wheels are part of the base of the casting, so they kind of just look 4 wheels from the front, only side ones move. Yeah, it's like one of those bigger John Deere tractors which you see on the fields, like huge ones. So Matchbox has done something like that. But it looks good. Doesn't look bad. Now, this is the third part of the 5-pack. This is the trailer. And basically just says Matchbox trailer on the box. So it's a trailer made by Matchbox. Again, it's Trevino Farms. It's 4-wheeled. You got the connection for your tow hook. It's nice, the red trailer with like these rails on the side. Even on the back, you can see there's place for tail lamps and hooks, tow hooks. And this is kind of a dump trailer, so just got this nice moving function to it, which is again a good addition. And surprisingly, even like the base has that diamond finish which you normally see on metal like sheets on the bottom. So again, looks like a good trailer. And this one I think goes with the tractor which we saw earlier. Let me just show you for a second. So if you see, this makes like they go together. This is part of like the farm equipment. That's good. Let's move to the next one. So this one is a Monarch tractor, Monarch Mark IV, and if I'm not wrong, Monarch electric tractor. And Matchbox actually has a single like casting you can buy, like a one piece. Good details here. You can see the rims look really good. Rather than looking like a mainline, they look more like a premium casting. You got the roof here, obviously driver seats and other controls. Up front, headlamps, not detailed, but you can see those there. And there's a frunk, because it doesn't have an engine. It's an electric tractor, so you can put stuff up front too. On the side, again, you have steps. You've got more controls. You got these. I don't know if these are lights or these are vents, what it is, the white ones. But you can see the Monarch logo here. So yeah, there are some details, I don't know what those are. On the roof, even on the roof it says Monarch here. Coming to the back, it's just like a normal tractor, some attachments. Yeah, I think I have a one that was like launched as a single piece, but even this one looks good. It's a good part of the 5-pack. So now let's just move to the last one. So this one is called a dirt hauler, and as you can see, it's like a big dump truck and multiple wheel layout. The wheels look good and they read Matchbox. I forgot to mention that on the other tractors. All of them read Matchbox on the tires. I like the rims, they look good. It also says Inc. Construction, Stand Clear, MBX 906. Front, you can see it's like just a single cab where the driver sits. It's like those big trucks you see in mines or quarries. It's like that. Seems like headlamp and engine is here, so you have vent grill there. This is how it looks from the other side, and this Matchbox written on the top of the bucket or bed, and this can be removed completely if you want to. So it shows like this, like different, I don't know if there's tools or machinery, you can see that, and can easily go back, so it goes up and down. And there's also tow hooks, so if you want you can add a trailer to that. And I can see tail lamps, but again those are not detailed. So this is kind of based on those big trucks, but it isn't like a complete, what you say, replica of those. But again, seems like a good set. There's like a lot of construction equipment in this, and if you're someone who like to make pictures with dioramas, so this will be a nice addition too. And I think apart from the Monarch tractor and the Skidster, I haven't seen these in like a single pack. So I like this. I think it's a good addition to the collection. Well, that's all from my side. Let me know what you think about it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.